Hello, my name is Sahil Mohite and I've chosen problem statement number second, which leads to build a smart embedding page search app for Contentstack. The project I've created is a demo app that that returns semantically relevant CMS entries using embedding and face. It solves the problem that keyword search misses intent. It is the tech stack I have used is fast API for backend for frontend Next.js and sentence transformer. As you can see here, I have used an open model called as all mini LLM, and I've used face for fast vector search. So this is how our project will look like. The judges can put their own API keys here. I will put my API keys for the demo. But before that, I want you to see my stack. So there are 10 entries I can see, as you can see here, and in each entries there is a title, description, summary, categories, price. I have not added any information in rich text, and also not added any image yet. So let me put my API keys first. So I have loaded my API keys now. As you can see, there is environment, region, local, and my region is EU. So I choose that and save the configuration. Now I will use rebuild index. What it does, it fetches content from content stack and builds the face index. As you can see here, the index count is here, and also it status the system health. Now I will search. You saw it already that it directly fetches the search context index. So I will choose here a classroom footwear, which is not exact to the title, but the model. Model finds it and it ranks semantically similar to it. If we see it, we can see the description, the price, the summary, everything what we have inserted in our entries in our content stack UI. It is there. Now the second problem statement which said was about webhooks. Content stack automate would call our webhook endpoints on publish, unpublish, and delete. But for our demo, we have simulated webhooks. Here publish immediately. So if I press the simulate publish, as you can see here, it directly shows that webhook simulate publish, and this is the API. And if I remove this simulate and unpublish, it unpublishes. Also there is a delete option too. And now, so how it works actually, we embedded entries and queries into same vector space using sentence transformer. Face does fast nearest neighbor search, so it scales too many entries. The only limitation you may say that, as stated in problem statement, that it requires to use launch service, but the issue is that we need to deploy it, right? For the URL, I have tried it. I used the Docker, but the local ML libraries, the PyTorch sentence transformer, so the image size exceeded railway free limit. As you can see, we have used 7.9, which exceeds the 4 GB, of course on a free limitation. If we have used OpenAI or some smaller API models, it would have worked, but unfortunately it did not. But on my GitHub section, I have mentioned about everything how the launch integration should have done. So if you could deploy it, it will work properly. Thank you very much.